The product zone, quick look right here of this beautiful AleHorn right here. You have the beautiful horn, you have the holder to hold it at the bottom right here. You have a nice cup, shot glass cup, and you see right here, nice little coated, really good quality overall. You have a nice opener right here. It's a good heavy duty quality, like solid, really not no cheesy made or anything. This will make the perfect gift. And you have a nice bag right here, travel bag, to go bag, storage, whatever you want. And you can see like the logo right here. But this is our beautiful baby right here. Wow, gorgeous. Look at it, made really well. It's amazing Viking style right here. Listen, perfect gift for anyone, male, female, anybody. It's just smooth finish. Check in the description box for more price and details. And this is the holder. It just comes in like that right here and said, oh my god, I love this. So far we used it. I got the other ones too. Check in the description. I'm going to leave you the link for my other one too. I love this. It's a good company, got good review. Thumbs up here on Product Zone. Definitely get your hands on this.